Hey all food lovers and welcome back to my channel Cooking Addiction. I recently hit 5,000 subscribers on my channel, so I want to thank everybody for making it so big. Today I'll show you all a Goan dried prawn salad, that is Sukya Sungtachi Kismur. So let's begin with the recipe.
Soak the ball of tamarind in some hot water and extract the pulp and set aside. Clean the prawns by snipping the heads, legs, tails and cut into 2 pieces depending on the size of the prawn. Roast the prawns evenly on a hot pan on a low flame using coconut oil. Coconut oil enhances the taste and brings out the flavor in the kismur. The prawns are well done when they turn crisp and you get a unique aroma of roasted prawns. Let it cool for some time. Keep stirring continuously and when light brown, take it off the flame. In a sufficiently large bowl, mix together freshly scraped coconut, red chili powder, turmeric powder, chopped green chilies, tamarind pulp, kokum and salt. Crush and mix well with your fingers and set aside till serving time. Remember, the dry fish is already salty, so use salt accurately. Just before serving, add the roasted prawns, chopped onions to the above coconut mixture and combine till well mixed. Serve on the side with hot rice and curry. You can also lightly fry the onion in oil if you don't like the raw flavor. To retain the crispness and freshness of the kismur, mix the roasted prawns and onion just before serving.
If you like this recipe, kindly like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get all my latest updates. Till then, we'll meet next time in my next video.